quite late to prepare a coffee, but I must not fall asleep tonight. My project's deadline is close and I need to come up with an idea. I think so hard, but I just don't have anything. What do you do when you need to generate output? Pen and paper? Text editor? So many AIs praying, solving all your problems, and some really do. Just not the most important one. What you actually do next. Searching can take endlessly. Contemplation. Soliloquy. Think. You see, my problem with thinking the meaning of the word, it is entirely undirected. Thoughts by themselves just don't materialize. And often ones seem to click just the moment them let loose. Never just think. Remember, anticipate, imagine, strategize, dream, meditate, structure, picture, decide. Giving your thinking direction will help you click. Pick your battleground, exercise on it, and you will always improve. You turn things into action. You are the most important AI you will always rely on. Keep training it. Doesn't mean you need to leave the good stuff untouched. Do we need the word think? Until the next, better be nice.